long do solar batteries last? Hi, I'm David from Sopoco. Have you ever wondered whether solar actually makes sense for your home or business? That is exactly what we help you figure out. If you're considering adding a battery to your solar system, you want to know how long it will last. It's a fair question. Solar batteries cost anywhere from £1,500 to £10,000, depending on capacity, and typically around £3,000 for a standard setup. That's a significant investment on top of your solar panels. But here's the thing, a high quality solar battery can last 15 to 20 years with proper care. Let me show you what affects battery lifespan and how to get the most from your investment. Firstly, let's clear up a common misconception about warranties. Most batteries come with warranties of 10 to 12 years, but warranty does not mean lifespan. A battery with a 10-year warranty could easily last 15 to 20 years if you use and maintain it properly. It's a similar story with your panels. They typically come with warranties of 25 to 30 years, but are likely to keep working for at least another decade beyond that. Battery warranties are based on charge cycles. One cycle equals a full charge and discharge. Here at Sopoco, most of the batteries we install have warranties covering more than 6,000 cycles. So, if you're doing one full cycle per day, that's over 16 years of performance. In reality, many batteries outlast their warranties by a comfortable margin. Secondly, not all batteries are created equal. Let's break down your options. Lithium batteries are the industry standard for UK homes. They typically handle 4,000 to 6,000 cycles and require very little maintenance. They're excellent all-rounders. Lithium iron phosphate batteries, the premium choice, with proper care, these can last up to 20 years. They cost more up front, but for homes that rely heavily on battery storage, the extended lifespan often justifies the cost. Emerging technologies like sodium-ion batteries are on the horizon. Greener and more powerful, but the most expensive option and larger in size. As the technology evolves, they will become more affordable in time. We're just not quite there yet. Thirdly, let's look at what determines how long your battery lasts. There's several factors. 1. How you use it. It's best to aim for complete cycles, a full charge and a full discharge. Some people set their systems to do half cycles, charging halfway, discharging, charging again, which isn't great for the battery's health, but could be beneficial if you're on the right tariff. 2. Depth of discharge. Most modern batteries let you use 80 to 90% of their total capacity. So a 10 kilowatt battery gives you around 8 to 9 kilowatts of actual usable power. Using your battery within these recommended limits extends its life significantly. 3. Battery sizing. An undersized battery that's constantly struggling to meet your household needs will cycle more frequently and wear out faster. So it pays to choose for the right size from the start. 4. Temperature. Batteries perform best between 15 and 25 degrees. Fortunately, UK weather is generally battery friendly. Have your battery installed somewhere cool, dry and well ventilated, like a garage or utility room. Again, your installer will be able to advise you. Your battery will give you plenty of warning before it needs replacing. Watch out for rapid power drain where your battery empties much faster than it used to, or powers your home for noticeably shorter periods. Most batteries come with monitoring systems that track performance automatically, making it easy to spot issues early. Any physical changes such as swelling, cracks, leaks or excessive heat require immediate professional attention. When it does come time to replace your battery, you should expect to spend around £3,000. But here's the good news. Battery costs are falling as technology improves, so your replacement will likely cost less than your original. If your solar and battery system saves you around £700 to £800 per year on energy, your battery pays for itself well before replacement. Factor in at least one battery replacement over your panel's lifespan and the numbers still look very attractive. Plus, solar batteries are currently 0 rated for VAT until 2027, making this an excellent time to invest in solar. With proper installation, sizing and careful use, your battery could keep your energy bills low and your home powered for 15 years or more before you have to replace it. If you have any questions, let's have a chat. Power on.